Welcome to Digital Literacy Simplified. In today's video, we'll look at an app and entertainment hub for Microsoft Windows, the Microsoft Store. The Microsoft Store is a secure and convenient place to find and download apps and games for your Windows OS device. You can find the Microsoft Store icon pinned on the Start menu. Once opened, you'll find a search box along the top to search for apps and a menu on the side for additional filtering. You can find everything from suites like Adobe Creative Cloud and Canva to essential communication tools like WhatsApp, Discord, and Telegram. The Xbox app is integrated with the store, making it a premier destination for gamers. It's also the home of PC Game Pass, giving you access to hundreds of titles. Think of it like the App Store for Windows. Microsoft Store benefits. So the Microsoft Store provides a number of key benefits for Windows user. Let's take a look. Safety and trust. Every app on the Microsoft Store is checked by Microsoft for security. This means you can download and install apps with more confidence, knowing they have been scanned for viruses and other harmful software. This is a much safer way to get programs than searching for them on the internet, which can sometimes lead to fake download buttons or malicious websites. Convenience. The store is built right into Windows 11. You don't have to search for an app's website, find the right download button, and then run an installer. With the Microsoft Store, you just click the Get or Install button, and the app is downloaded and set up for you automatically. Automatic updates. Apps downloaded from the Microsoft Store are typically set to update automatically in the background. This is a huge benefit because it means you always have the latest version of your software with all the newest features and security fixes without having to do anything yourself. One-stop shop. The Microsoft Store is a single organized place to browse and find all kinds of software. You can find popular apps like Spotify, WhatsApp, Discord, Netflix, as well as productivity tools, games, and creative apps. Many of the most popular and useful apps in the Microsoft Store are completely free to download and use. This is a great way to explore a large library of apps to find ones you like. The Microsoft Store is a great way to discover new software you might not have known about. So, in summary, the Microsoft Store makes getting and managing software on your Windows 11 PC simple, safe, and convenient. It's an excellent resource for anyone who wants a hassle-free way to explore new apps. So hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and follow our channel for how-to videos to help you develop the digital literacy skills you need to succeed. Thanks for watching.